Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm finna be packaging up a few hats. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I haven't gone out to grab any more boxes yet, so I'm gonna do the Ziploc method for my hat. This way, when I add air into the bag, the air helps the hat from not being crushed. Plus some tissue paper should help it keep its form as well. Now it's time to add the air. And look at the difference that made. I like to throw in my business card, that way buyers can find me on all my platforms. And add a sticker for aesthetic. I also realized it's better to add the air after you put the hat into the poly mailer. It'll just be way more easier that way and just release whatever air you don't need. Now, depending on the platform and where the item was ordered from determines what I do with the shipping label. If it came from my website or Etsy store, then the label has already been created, but this is what I do if I need to do it manually. So I use the USPS app to create my shipping label by clicking on Click and Ship. And here are the options you can use to create that label. You would need the length and width measurements of the package, and then you'll need the weight as well. I got these stick-on shipping labels from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And since the paper is not waterproof, I like to add clear tape on top of it just to prevent it from being damaged during the shipping process. And I also found that Dollar Tree sells shipping labels as well, which is convenient. But that ends this video. Thanks for watching. Please go check out my other videos and like, share, and subscribe.